Students, welcome to our introduction to Power BI guided projects. Now, as part of this business data analytics course, you're going to complete a series of hands-on structured builds using Microsoft Power BI. Now, Power BI is not just a glorified charting tool. It's a real-world class business intelligence platform that's utilized across almost every major industry. It allows analysts and teams to connect to vast data resources, clean up messy data, construct interactive dashboards, and deliver clear, evidence-based insights that modern organizations rely on to make strategic decisions. Now, think of each of these guided projects as stepping stones. You will see exactly how professional analysts take raw, chaotic spreadsheets and transform them into clear visual stories. Now, let's lay down the ground rules to protect your grade. Each guided project checkpoint throughout the semester is worth 10 points. To earn credit, you must submit the actual raw file generated by the software. Now, for Power BI, that means your file must end in a .pbix. If you just upload a PDF or an image or a screenshot or a Word document or another software, it is an automatic 0. I want to see your functioning work file that is a PBIX, because I will be checking the authorship of that PBIX file to see if it matches your name. So let me be very clear, incredibly direct here. Uploading screenshots of your dashboard or writing a text summary without attaching the actual PBIX file will result in automatic failure of the assignment. Furthermore, all projects must be submitted through Blackboard according to our course schedule. No late work is accepted under any circumstances, so don't risk waiting until the final hour to upload. That can cause problems. Now, something you need to know to address for a critical technical constraint: if you are an Apple Mac user, this does not exist on it. Power BI does not exist on an Apple Mac computers. I do not have access to an Apple Mac computer. I cannot teach you how to install it because it cannot be done. You must use a Windows-only application. If your primary machine is a Mac, you will need to solve the logistic hurdle immediately. You'll need to utilize either the TCC Campus Computers Lab, which means you're going to have to put in a request to access a Windows machine with Power BI. Take notes of a few things. You're going to head to the TCC website right now to locate the nearest lab to you. You may need to coordinate with that TCC IT support to ensure Power BI is installed on that specific lab and the computer that you plan to use. And understand that I am completely unable to assist you in running Power BI on a Mac operating system, nor can I assist you with software installations on campus labs. I don't have authority, I don't have the ability or the liability to be able to do that for you. You must coordinate directly with TCC IT support to establish your workstation at the lab that you plan on working on. Now, for Module 1, your launchpad is the Microsoft Power BI Basics Series tutorial video. It's going to be posted in the Power BI module. This guide is built to make data visualizations completely accessible. You're going to tackle downloading the software, importing data, Power Query basics, exploring the interface, and creating your very first visual. Now, once you wrap up the guided video, don't just close the app. I highly recommend running through the exact same steps a second time using a completely different data set. Change things around, modify as you need. Repetition is how you make this workflow very routine to you. If you want to push your skills even further, I've also included a couple of optional highly rated Udemy courses in the description for some extra practice, not for extra points, just your own interest. So you can get the software installed, download the Apocalypse data sheet, work through your time steps sequentially, and build your very first intelligence report. So good luck, keep your files organized, and I'll see you guys in your work. Bye, guys.